Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and my channel's In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today is August the 1st and our devotion is ideology. Do not turn aside, for then you would go after empty things, which cannot profit or deliver, for they are nothing. 1 Samuel 12:21. It is easy to think of ideology as a distant issue, defined by people in foreign clothing, bowing before intricately carved idols. But idolatry isn't limited to a physical, obvious idol. Ideology is extreme devotion to something or someone. We can be consumed by administrating for many things. Ideology can take a million forms. Idols are simply things that take the number one place in our hearts that should belong to God alone. God, help me to be aware of the things that are becoming idols in my life. Give me a good strategy for getting rid of those idols, so that I have you at the center of my life again. Nighttime devotion. Idols cannot deliver us. Only God of the universe, who saved us with his great love, is worthy of our extreme admiration. Only he deserves our love and reverence. Other things that we may be tempted to chase after won't benefit us. Ask God to reveal idols in your life tonight. Then trust that he will help you begin to get rid of those idols so you can refocus your time and energy on him. The question of the day: what is sitting on the throne of your heart as the object of your most extreme passion and affection? Right now, I can't think of any. But I am going to pray to God and ask him that if I have any, for him to show me. And if you have any, or if you don't know if you have any, then pray to God that he shows you and helps you get rid of them and replace them with him. I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share the video. I would appreciate it. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.